I've been thinking about gratitude lately because last year I started a daily journal, which is a 3-line journal. Where I read about this somewhere, so I thought I would try it. And it's 3 lines. And the first line is, today I'm going to let go of. And the
And
second line is, today I am grateful for. And the third line is, today I will focus on. And I was so fascinated by this because I like this approach because intentionally choosing to let go of something really created a lot of space for gratitude for me. I can't just browbeat myself into feeling gratitude. So often, if I really want to get in touch with gratitude, it helps me first to let go of something, to identify something I want to release and let it go. And that sets me free just to relish the gratitude and really feel it deeply. And then that gratitude gives me this wonderful energy for whatever I choose to focus on that day. And so, again, a sense of abundance. And the gratitude's in the middle, it's like the heart. But I mean, I just think that's how gratitude is meant to be, to give us the energy to focus on the things that we want to focus on.